Welcome. In front of me is Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to enable or disable HotKey mode on this laptop. To do this, you'll have to enter the BIOS setup menu, and to enter the BIOS menu you'll have to power on your PC and then immediately start pressing F2 key repeatedly until you see the BIOS menu in front of you. Then go to configuration settings, scroll all the way down until you see the HotKey mode. And to enable, disable or enable HotKey mode, select this option and switch it to the different value. Now to apply settings, press F10 and enter, or to discard them, press escape and no. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.